Hey there, Apple fans. If you just updated to iOS 18.2 or are thinking about it, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down essential settings you need to turn off right now to boost performance, save battery life, and protect your privacy. Let's dive in. Number 1 is to stop background activity on your device. First up, stop unnecessary apps from running in the background. Go to Settings app, then click on General and scroll to Background App Refresh, and switch it to off or limit it to Wi-Fi only. This will stop apps from eating up your battery and data. Dear friends, trust me, this setting is a game changer for both speed and battery health. Number 2 is to turn off personalized ads. This stops Apple from using your data to serve targeted ads while still letting you enjoy the apps you love. So launch the Settings app, then scroll to Privacy and Security, and then click on Apple Advertising and toggle off personalized ads. Number 3 is disable location for unnecessary apps. Location tracking can be a major drain on your battery. So go to Settings app, then scroll the screen to Privacy and Security. After that, tap on Location Services and review which apps actually need access to your location. For most, while using the app or never is the best choice. Be sure to turn off system services like significant locations. You'll thank me later. Number 4 is stop push downloads. Push notifications for email? They can be annoying and drain your battery. Instead, switch to manual fetching. First of all, go to Settings app, then scroll to Apps section and again scroll the screen to Mail. Now click on Accounts and tap on the Fetch New Data option. Over choose Manual for non-essential accounts. This simple tweak can make a big difference, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Number 5 is turn off unnecessary system haptics. System haptics might feel cool, but they're subtle battery hogs. So dive into Settings app, then access Sounds and Haptics and toggle off System Haptics, which is paper down on the screen. Your phone will still feel smooth but won't drain that precious battery life unnecessarily. Number 6 is stop app tracking. Don't let apps track you across other apps and websites. Go to Settings, then scroll to Privacy and Security. On this page, tap on the tracking and toggle off Allow apps to request to track. This will boost your privacy and stop those creepy ads from following you around. Number 7 is to turn off communication preferences settings. To shut off Apple emails, like marketing, new content releases for apps, movies, books, podcasts, Apple Pay, and much more. Then you have to turn off communication preferences. First, open the Settings app. Then go to the Apple ID profile and click on the personal information. You may be asked to enter your Apple ID passcode. So enter it to go next so that on this page, you can see communication preferences. Please tap on this. Finally, turn off all their toggles to turn off lots of unwanted emails into your inbox. That's it. Number 8 is turn off Apple Music SharePlay. This is start by tapping the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. Scroll down a bit until you see apps. Then tap it. Now again, scroll the screen, look for the music section. On this page, look at the discoverable by nearby contacts and toggle the switch off. This will disable SharePlay for all apps, including Apple Music. Done. That's it. SharePlay is now turned off, so no one can start a shared listening session with you in Apple Music while you drive in a car. Number 9 is to turn off name drop on your iPhone. Follow these simple steps. Open the Settings app. Scroll down a bit and tap on General. In the General menu, find and tap on AirDrop. Under AirDrop settings, you'll see the option for bringing devices together. Toggle it off. And that's it. Now your iPhone won't automatically share your contact details via name drop when placed near another iPhone. Number 10 is turn off low power mode. Open the Settings app, then tap on Wi-Fi or cellular, depending on where low data mode is enabled. For Wi-Fi, tap the info icon I next to your network. For cellular, tap cellular data options. Finally, toggle low data mode off and that's it. Easy, right? Now your iPhone will use data as usual. And there you have it. These simple tweaks can make your iOS 18.2 experience faster, safer, and smoother. Let me know in the comments if these tips help and if you've discovered any other settings worth turning off. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.